Yeah, here with Mr. Canada, and today we're looking at converting to standard form. This is where the values that we begin with are less than 1. So without even looking, just look down at this example 1, see how this value is less than 1. So that is the situation we're looking for. This will result in our n value being negative, okay? So we're still going to count, but it's just going to have to put a negative. So converting from a small number to standard form requires how many place values we move. Once again, right? Well, really, it's the decimal point physically that we do. Okay. Okay. So for the decimal point in between our first and second non-zero digit. So coming from the left, right? These are all zeros, so we don't count them. Here is where between our two we're gonna put it, right? So we're going to write first 4.5. I'm going to get rid of that line and actually put the decimal point like I've been doing before. So here, that's our step 1. Our step 2, right, we're always going to write it as times 10 and to the power. Well, here, we know that it's going to be negative because this number is less than 1. So that's the only part that we really have to change, because we're still going to count now how many spaces we've moved between the decimals. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the only difference between doing a small or large number is that a very small number has a negative, telling us that, hey, we're going into our decimals, or our decimals less than 1, and a large number, well, we want to go bigger. So it's just the negative and positive on the index just tells us the direction of movement. Okay. So we want to convert 0.5 to standard form. So this one, once again, once you start actually going through these, you'd see that there's actually not a lot of work to these. So here we have our decimal place. We have our other one right here. So we can write 5. We can write 5.0. It doesn't matter. But I'm just going to leave it as 5 times by 10 to the, well, it's minus because it's less than 1. And it just moved one place. Here, we're just moving one place again, right? It just looks like it'd be a lot different. Times by 10 and to the minus 1.